Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. What I am going to be doing in today's video is going through a product that's selling well right now on eBay. This strategy will help you to find the products to sell on eBay and make money online. So I'm sure that you are definitely going to get value out of this video. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. You are definitely going to learn a lot in terms of what you need to look out for. So let's get right into the video. Before I'm going to show you a product that's selling really well right now in eBay. I'm gonna go through my 3 steps. So as you know, the first thing is go over to eBay. Second thing, I go over to Teraback. I use Teraback to check the sales rate, and then the third thing I do is go over to Alibaba, check if I can import that product or not, to make sure that the product is available for us to import. I want you to know that eBay has added a new feature into Teraback. I'm going to explain that in a bit more detail with this product. I just want you to know that will help you to grow on eBay. This feature used to be available for us to use. Bear in mind that this product is selling well right now on eBay. You are most likely going to have success with it. It depends on how you market it. So let's jump into the video. Let's jump right into the video. The product is bathroom Bluetooth glass scales. This is the product that we can start with. It tells you how much you weigh. You can connect to your phone, you can record the date on your phone. So what you need to do, you need to go over to purchase history to see if the product is selling every day or not. So what you need to do, you need to click on sold here. As you can see here, this product has sold over 4,000 sold, as you can see. So that you have all the information you need. What you need to do, you need to go over to Teraback. Just jump onto Teraback and you need to type in bathroom Bluetooth glass scales. So let's jump onto Teraback and you need to type in bathroom Bluetooth glass scales. As you can see here, the sales through rate is so good, amazing. As you can see here, the sales through rate is 43%. We are definitely improving in terms of the sales through rate. And before that, as you know, you need to click on new and fix the price and best of accepted. It's better to start with this one and make money from this product. And as you can see here, the total item sales is over $7,000 and total sold is over $1,000. I think you can use this product and make a lot of money from it. Now you need to scroll down to take a look for the seller. Here he made over $5,000. As you can see here, this seller made over $4,900. This seller made over $4,900, and here this seller made over $3,900, and here this seller made over $3,000. As you can see here, you can start with this. You can start with this one here and make a lot of money. It's easy and simple to start with this one here. Now what you need to do, you need to go over to Alibaba.com to know if we can use this product to import or not, and check if it's available for us or not. Let's move on Alibaba.com and make sure that the product is available for us to import. As you can see here, it's available for us to import. As you can see here, this seller has been on there for almost 11 years, and here this seller has been on there for almost 5 years, and here 1 year, and here 4 years. And you know, you need to pick the seller that has been on there for almost plus 5 or 4 years. As you can see here, this seller has been on Alibaba for almost 16 years. So this particular product is selling really well on eBay. Is available for us to import. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe.